chicken out of our broth that's just cooked down really nicely. If you find us a little thinner than you'd like, we want to have you put in a slurry, and this is how you do it. So you want this sort of a stew consistency. You can see this is a little bit loose right now. So just go ahead and put some flour into a ramekin and a little bit of water. You don't want to pour this right in, otherwise it's going to make lumps. So go ahead and pour this in, get a whisk, and just lightly move this around. We want a little paste to it. So we're probably going to add a little more water to this. Just like this. We want a little paste. What this will do, once this is boiling already, this is going to really thicken up the gravy for the coq au vin really well. And coq au vin, by the way, means chicken with wine. And so just go ahead and pour this in. Just stream it in a little bit. Sometimes you don't need all of it, so go ahead and I'd say start with half of that slurry.